Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to count number of words in the string Java. So we'll understand with the inbuilt function and without inbuilt function as well. First, start with the inbuilt function. So how to get the total number of words in the string. So first we have to declare a string variable. So string you can assign any value. Learning Java with simple example. Okay. So in this string, right, total 5 words are there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words are there. So expected output would be 5. Inbuilt function, here we are going to use the split. Split function in Java is used to divide a string into an array of substring based on the specified delimiter. Or you can say regular expression. So we are going to call the split function. So you can say str dot will call split function. See here we need to pass the regular expression. So here we are going to pass the space. Right? So this is going to return you return an array of string. So you can store it in an array of string. So we can store string array, give any variable. Okay, this split function is going to return you the string of array. So that's what we are going to use over here for the data type. Now we need to print finally. Can print total number of words. You can say words dot length. Okay, so words is this variable. Okay, words dot length means it will going to return you the total count of the words. Let's run this. See, it's returning total number of words equal to 5. Okay, this is we are using with the inbuilt function. So the split is the inbuilt function in the string. So it is returning a total number of words in the given string. So now understand without inbuilt function. Right now, if you go this way, right, maybe you may face that interview question. So without using inbuilt function, how to get the total number of words in the string. So what I can do, I'll just command this 2 lines. Let's see. So now understand without inbuilt functions. So inbuilt functions, just I commanded these 2 lines. Now we have to start iterate through the each character in the string. So we can use a for loop. We'll start for loop. It's going to start from the character, right? It's going to start from the first character. So we can say int I equal to start from the 0. Then it is going to, the condition will be I less than str dot length minus 1. Okay, so the length minus 1 means the second last character. Okay, then we are incrementing the loop. So inside the loop, the if condition, we are going to add a condition, if condition. The if condition check that whether the current character is space or not. So we can say if str dot character at. So here this is the character at will going to get the first one character. So here we are passing I value is a 0, so it's going to the first iteration it is going to get the first character. Then we are saying equal to space, right? If it is equal to space, then we say the condition is true. It means new word starts after the space. Okay, so the count is going to increment. So we can add a one more variable over here, int count equal to, it start from 1. Okay, now here we are incrementing count plus plus. Okay, if the condition is true, it means new words going to start after the space. So the count we are going to increment over here, incremented by 1. So now finally we have to print the value. Finally we can print total number of words. Total number of words plus we can say count, because this is what is going to increment, right? So you will be getting this one. Now let's run this. See, it's returning a 5. Right? So here if suppose if I add a one more space, what will happen? So now let's run this. See, it is, total count is coming as a 6. So in this case, what we have to do, we can add a one more condition. Maybe if it is a one space or if it is a multiple space, right? So in this case, what we can do, we can add a one more condition over here. So we can say we'll add a and condition here str dot character at. Here we are passing the index. Here we'll say it is I plus 1, right? So the next character, the space character, the current character, and the next character. Next character not equal to space. So not equal to space. So meaning that we are checking the current, characters and the next character as well. If the both is space, right? If it is the both conditions true, then we are going to increment by 1. So now here we have one more space is there. Let's run this. See, now we are getting only 5 count. So if suppose you are not sure about how many spaces there, then you can add a multiple conditions also. So this will going to work. The both conditions are true, it means new word starts after the space. So the count is incremented by 1. Okay. So the loop find 4 spaces followed by non-space character. Okay, since there are 5 words in total, the count is incremented to 5. It works by counting the spaces that indicates the start of new word. Okay. It assumes that the word are separated by single space and it doesn't count for the multiple consecutive spaces. Okay, I hope this is clear. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.